Hi, thanks for learning with me. Welcome back to the web hosting course. I'm Jeremiah, your instructor. In the previous videos, we went over web hosting, Linux, and how shared web hosting works. Then we learned about the software and features you should look for when choosing a good web hosting service. The web hosting service I use, and suggest that you do too, is called Web Hosting Squared. You can find their website at webhostingsquared.com. In this part of the series, I'm going to show you how to pick a good domain name. Here I am on Web Hosting Squared. Well, I'll scroll down to where it says, Get your .com free with web hosting. Here, I can search for domain name availability. So, when picking a domain name, I suggest that you keep it descriptive and accurate to your website, but also short and effective. Don't use numbers, underscores, or hyphens. I would also suggest that you keep it as relatable as possible to whatever the website's for. So, for example, if I'm making a website for a Chicago plumbing company called 5-Star Chicago Plumbing, my first choice for a domain name will be 5starchicagoplumbing.com. Here, what I'll do is I'll type it in here, but I don't want a number. That might confuse people. So I'll do 5-star, spelt out, chicagoplumbing.com, and then click search. This will bring us to the Choose a Domain Name page. Here, we can register a domain name, transfer a domain name, or use an existing domain name that we already own elsewhere. What I'm going to do is keep the default option and register a new domain name. All we do to do that is make sure that the domain name that we want is here, the extension that we want is selected, and click the blue check button. Then it will automatically check below, and we see that 5starchicagoplumbing.com is available, but we accidentally typed it wrong. It's always good to double check. So let's check if 5starchicagoplumbing.com is available. And we see that that is available too. Great. Now, in the next video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to set up a web hosting account on Web Hosting Squared with cPanel and your new domain name, which will be included for free with your package. You won't have to pay this $13 per year fee. See you in the next one.